Today we've just installed the Altech UEC Halo automatic satellite system on this Titanium Southern Cross. Step inside and we'll have a look at the internal components. We've gone and put in the UEC Halo automatic satellite system. So we've got the main unit here for the satellite system, which controls all your dish up, down, ready to be tuned in. Then we've got the main control unit. Powering this up, all we have done in this particular van is they've got a fuse block here. We've just pulled the power for that for both items, and also put an isolator switch in there for both the satellite system and the decoder box. We've mounted the decoder box in here, which is the Altech UEC 4921RV. Close the door. Under here, under the Ranger, we've installed the infrared eye. That means that the customer points his remote there, or it might even bounce off the reflective surfaces in the Caravan, and pretty much he can control his whole decoder box from anywhere in the van.